I'm pulling back because of the heat. Ooh, lovely and warm. Looks like it's going to collapse. This is Bonfire Night in Belfast on the 11th of July 2012. This is the Finn Street Bonfire, or the South Belfast Bonfire, whatever they like to call it. It's starting to tilt. It's going. Like it's going. Starting to bend to the left. Looks like it's about to go. I bet this is about to collapse in the next minute or so. Probably it'll probably collapse. Whoa! Just got somebody hit by a whiff of heat there. This iPod's getting warm. It is definitely starting to fall apart. There's parts of it going. Helicopter hovering above us now. It's starting to crumble. It's definitely ready to collapse. Because it's seriously bending to the left. It's definitely about to go. Get a good position for the collapse. Burning debris above us now. It's going, it's going. It's about to go. It looks like it's about to collapse to the left. There it goes. Oh! No! Whoa! Whoa! Man, what a collapse! Right, that's it.